Okay, let's study about the fractions addition. Our topic is fractions addition. Now let me write down the topic name first. That is fraction addition. I have to do, I'll first give you a bit recap about fraction. Fraction has basically two parts. And one is called numerator and the other is called denominator. Now what are numerator and denominator? Suppose we have to divide some numbers with each other. Suppose, let's say for example, we have a number 7, it has to be divided by 3. This is a division operator, so we can write it in a different fashion. 7 is the first part, so we can write it up, and then to write it in the fraction form, what we have to do, we have to put a line, and then below that we will write the number that is basically dividing the number on the left. So that is basically this whole thing is called as a fraction. What is fraction is representing? It is representing the division of some numbers. And now our topic is basically fraction addition. By fraction addition we mean that if we have to add multiple fractions with each other. For example, we have two different fractions. One is 7 divided by 6, and the other is let's say 6 divided by 22. These are two basically different fractions. And in the fraction, I forgot to mention that this upper part is called as numerator, and this lower part 3 will be called as denominator in this case. Okay, we have written the full spelling here, so I will write it here just like this. Let me just remove this extra thing I have added. Okay, and let me first sharpen the pencil. Okay, let's say we have a number and 6 and 22, and what we are supposed to do, first we have to now here what we are doing, we are adding two simple fractions. In order to add two fractions, what we are supposed to do, we have to cross multiply them. So in order to cross multiply, by cross multiply we mean we have to multiply the denominator of the right fraction to the numerator of the left fraction, and the denominator of left fraction to the numerator of right fraction. Let's say it's 7 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 22. I will correct it. 7 multiplied by 22, and then we'll have a plus sign, and then it's 6 multiplied by 6. First we will do the cross multiply, and then we have to multiply these values together as well. So for the below values we multiply with them with each other as well. Both denominators will be multiplied with each other. So that is how things are gonna be. Now 7 multiplied by 22, if we use the calculator, we can say or we can multiply them manually like this. 7 multiplied by 22, 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 14. We have this one 4 comes here, and the other one 14, 1 of 14 goes to the carry, and 7 multiplied by 2 14, and then that one is added to it, that gives 15. So that is 154. So what will we have is 154, and then we have plus 6 multiplied by 6 gives us 36, and below it we have 6 multiplied by 22. If we do that, we will get the answer 132. Now 154 plus 36 will give us 190, and then we will have the answer below is 132. Okay, let me do it, correct it again, and it gives us 132. Now if we divide them with each other, and we have to simplify them in order to divide them with each other. but let's keep it here till now. So